Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. It's All in Tech, because I'm all about tech. What? Let's try this again. Now this is more like it. So, you guys know I started my own clothing line, and my wife surprised me because I didn't have the equipment that I need to do my logo, to put it on or nothing. My friend is the one that was doing it for me. Shout out to her. She's the one that made the logo. And I guess my wife decided, let me surprise him and get him his own products so he could make his own merch. And I think it's the dopest thing ever. So this is what we're going to unbox today. Let's enjoy. So before I even open this thing, you guys know what we have to do, right? Let me put this down, put this to the side. All right. So we're going to do it together as a team. I don't care where you at. You could be in Jamaica, Egypt, I don't care where you at. You could be on a train right now. I want you to put your phone down in your lap and I want you to do it with me. All right, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. It's unboxing time. All right, so I'm ready and I'm excited. I'm super duper excited because I have a bunch of products that I want to unbox for you guys today. So first we're going to start off. Let me get the smaller box. This box is too big, it's too heavy. Let's start off with the smaller box. Boom. All right, so this is from Cricut. Cricut, basically they have this thing called Cricut Maker where they have their own machine that makes whatever kind of logo or printout you wanted to do. And basically you print it and you have to, I never did it before. I'm just telling you from what I saw in videos, okay? And basically you could use your phone to hook up to it with Bluetooth. You can use the computer and hook up to it. You can even use an iPad or something. So we're gonna unbox this thing and see what's in here. So it's a bunch of things that I got. It's like a bundle. So this right here is what I would use to when I print out the logo out the machine. Basically I would use this to take it off and take off the parts that I don't want and stuff like that. This will make sure I do it very precisely.
No.
To make sure I don't mess up whatever I printed out, my logo or anything else I decide to make with this thing. So these are some of the tools that I get from the bundle. See what else is in the box. So this is one of the vinyls. This is red. And let's see what's in here. So this is a ruler. So basically, so I could be very precise in where I'm putting the logo on every single shirt and sweater. This is pretty cool. I like this. So, because if I'm going to do it, I'm trying to do it as best as possible. I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys nothing but quality. And this is another, I guess, paper they gave us to test with. So I could print on this too. Here was another one. So they gave me black, red, and white. So I guess I'll try those. And this is another tool to help me, like I'm guessing to lift the logo up and stuff like that. Don't quote me on this. I just gotta watch some more videos on this to see what they're about. And boom. This is Circuit Explorer. Okay, so you put this on the machine when you're doing the printing and stuff like that. Variety pack. Okay. When you're doing the heat press, if I'm not mistaken, this goes on it. Nope. Don't quote me. All right. So that's one unboxing right there. We're gonna move on to something else. All right. Put that to the side. All right, so this is the next product right here. We're gonna unbox this together. And no, you don't have to morph again. We already morphed in the beginning of the video, okay? You don't gotta morph every time I unbox it. I gotta open a box up, you gotta morph. Wouldn't that be funny?
I'm out of here.
If I did that every single time I was opening a box, my goodness. So this right here is called the Cricut Easy Press. So basically, you can use an iron if you want to put the logo on your sweaters, shirts, hat, whatever. But the Easy Press, basically, it's, ooh, my God, ooh, wow, it's kind of weighty. Ooh. So this is the Easy Press. Now the Easy Press is like a big iron, right? They have different sizes. They have smaller, medium, and they have large. This is the large one. This is the, I think the 12 by 10, right? And basically what the Easy Press does is basically you get to pick your temperature that you want it to be. So if it's cotton, you get to pick the temperature that it's supposed to be for cotton, and you put it there, and then it tells you when it's ready, how long to keep it on, when to take it off, stuff like that. And it's pretty wide, so it's definitely good. And the thing that I like about it is they said that if you put it at 180, just an example, you put it at 180, basically it's 180 throughout the whole thing. It's like it's consistent heating throughout the whole thing. It's not 180 over here is probably like 150. It's consistent heat around the whole thing. So we're just gonna unbox this thing. I like the packaging. Packaging is really, really nice. The unboxing experience is really nice too. So look at this. So I'm pretty sure, see, this is a press on. So I know I could press this onto something. This is pretty cool that they gave you that. It says, let's do this. Let's open this up, see what's in here. Register your product. Paperwork. We're gonna put that to the side, put that in the box. All right, put the logo over here, and let's take out the device itself. Okay, so basically, this is where the Easy Press is gonna go. So whenever you're heating it up, you put it in here, and when you're ready, you just take it up, use it. And the good thing about the Easy Press is if you don't use it after a couple of minutes, it actually shuts off like a regular iron, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, this thing is huge. This thing is really huge. All right, let's take out the device, out the box. Okay. Here goes the device. Now, I'm not going to take it out of that plastic, but I am going to open this. I like this. This is different. I'm going to open this up. And it's definitely weighty. It's definitely weighty. Boom. And here we go. Alright, so there goes the power button, the temperature, the time. So basically the way it works is when you plug it in, if you want to change the temperature, you click on temperature, then you press up or down. If you want to change the time, you click on the time and press up and down. I don't remember exactly what this is for, so I don't want to really comment on that, but it's definitely kind of weighty and it's pretty nice. So I'm going to leave this in the plastic, and I'm going to tell you the reason why. I'm going to leave this in the plastic. In the plastic. So I'm going to leave this in the plastic because I'm actually not going to keep this thing. I'm going to return this back to Cricut. And I guess I'll tell you guys at the end of the video why I'm going to return this. All right, so let's put this to the side. Ooh. Ooh. And let's look at the box and I'll tell you what the box says. It's a jumbo size ideal for larger t-shirts, sweaters, banners, blankets, and more. Ceramic coating, advanced heat plate design. Easy to learn, simple to use, precise temperature control up to 400 Fahrenheit. So that's pretty cool. It goes up to 400. Oh yeah, it's like I said, it's a 12 by 10. Safety bays, welcome book, materials for a practice project. Okay. All right, so we're gonna put this to the side and we're gonna get to the real big boy. Now this is going to be interesting. I'm filling up with space already. Oh my God. So this is even heavier than the easy press. All right, so this is the Cricut Maker. Okay, this is where the magic happens. This is what hooks up to the computer, the iPad, the phone. This is what prints out everything and carves everything out. And there's actually two versions that they have on their website. They have the Cricut Air 2 and they have the Cricut, just I think just the Cricut Maker. So the Maker 2, the difference is between that one and this one is this one can cut more stuff. So you can cut wood and certain other things. So it has a couple of advantages. And it does a better cut if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it comes with more points. So the price difference is like a $200 difference between the two. So I wanted to future-proof everything I'm doing. I like to just buy one good thing and call it a day. I didn't want to buy the Air 2 and then want to do something else and I end up having to sell that or try to figure out how I'm gonna get this one. I just said, you know what, I'm just gonna get the best one and call it a day. Alright, so let's take this out the box. So it's kind of weighty, okay? As you guys can see, it is a big box. It is heavy, and ooh, so it's a Cricut Maker Ultimate Smart Cutting Machine. All right, I like the box. Let's take it out the box. Oh yes. Ooh, man, I'm gonna be blocking the camera. Let me try to see if I can turn this thing. I don't want to block you guys out. All right. Ooh, my common sense kicked in just now. I felt good. Oh God, it's like a struggle. It's not easy unboxing this big box in front of this camera. And yeah, I love my camera and I love my lens because it's like right here. You guys can hear me. It's so cool. So it says, let's get started. And to begin, go to Cricut.com setup. So I know they have their own app where you could go to set everything up and do everything you gotta do. So materials for your first project. So I definitely open me first. It says welcome. It's pretty cool. So let me show you guys this, because this is pretty exciting. This is pretty cool. I like this. I like the presentation. It looks real elegant. I'm so excited, babe. Babe, thank you so much for this. Thank you so much. I'm super duper excited and I can't wait to start making merch for you guys. For you guys to tell me how amazing my merch is and how my label is staying on and how you watched it like 15 million times and nothing fell off. See, this is like one of the pieces that go on the Cricut Maker itself. Let's look under here, see what's under here. I have no idea what this is. It looks like a pen. This looks like a cover. I don't know what this is for neither. Oh, circuit rotary blade cap. Okay, so it goes over the blade. And this is a wire. I think if you're trying to plug it into the computer, you plug it in instead of using the Bluetooth. All right, so let's put this back in here. Put this to the side. Man, it's a lot of stuff, man. I can see why these things cost so much. My goodness, it's a lot of stuff. Oof. I'm getting tired just unboxing this thing. Oh, oof. Okay. So basically, what I'm going to do is show you guys what comes in the Cricut Maker box. So it comes with this wire right here. This is the wire that you use to basically hook it up to the computer. It comes with this piece that goes in the back of the Cricut Maker, and this goes into your actual computer. This right here is one of the devices that cuts and I'm pretty sure this is the one that cut like the wood or anything heavy duty because of the way it looks. But I'm going to show you guys the Cricut Maker itself. Boom. So this is the Cricut Maker. I like the color, I like the weight. You can tell that its quality is premium. It's not cheap at all. Alright, and as you can see when you open that, it opens down here like this, just like a printer, and it has the power button right here, the button to, I guess, feed it in, feed it out, the Cricut Maker button to make it when you're ready to print it, and the pause button. Let me show you the back of it. Close this up, take our time. Alright, back of it, here goes the port that I was telling you, and then the power port. I'm going to show you guys the power wire right now. This is the power wire. Alright, and then we're going to get back to what I was originally talking about before. So this is the Easy Press, right? This is the 12 by 10. Now this is convenient for people that travels, people that do events, that make t-shirts for people at events and stuff like that. This is good for that. But for what I'm trying to do with it, which I'm trying to mass produce a bunch of hoodies, I'm going to do t-shirts, hats, whatever I could do. This is not as good. You get what I'm saying? Because, alright, say right now I have like about 18 orders of hoodies and sweaters. Now, imagine how long it would take for me to use this to try to do it on every hoodie, every sweater. I would have to sit there and have to put the temperature, then I have to put the time, and I have to put it down, and I have to press while I'm putting it down, and I have to wait. And then when it tells me to pick it up, I gotta pick it up. Then I gotta make sure it cools down. It's a bunch of work, right? Now with the big machine, right, they have two different types. They have the one that opens up like this, and they have the one that open and you can just swivel the whole top of it to the side. Now, I'm not going to tell you which one I got because I'm not a snitch.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay? We don't do that, alright? We don't snitch. Now, the one that I have, that almost got me. So basically, the one that I'm going to use, it basically, you put it down, it stays, and it presses it down by itself. You don't actually have to give it any kind of force, any kind of pressure. You put what material it is, how much it knows what time it's supposed to be down for. You pull it down and basically boom, it does it, and then when you're done, you lift it back up. No pressure, no nothing. So basically, boom. And it's a wider device, it's bigger, so I don't have to go through the headache I would have to go through with this. Because imagine me trying to put like a big logo on a shirt or on something. It would take me forever because this, I'd have to do one section at a time. One section at a time. One section at a time. I'm not trying to do that. Alright? And since I'm trying to do this as a business, I'm trying to make a website and get these sweaters and hoodies out there for everybody around the world. Yeah, this is not going to work. So probably later on in the future, if I do events or anything like that, and I do decide to make shirts for them and stuff like that, and customize shirts or whatever, then I'll probably get the smaller one to this and do it. But honestly, I think this is overpriced. I think this is priced too high, because there should be no reason why I'm getting the big unit, the big machine, the one that and this one costs more. Yeah, you heard me, more. So if you guys definitely want to see me unbox the new device, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys turn the bell notification on, because you want to make sure you come back to see when I unbox that. And when I set the whole thing up, I'm going to show how everything is set up, how I'm going to run everything. I'm so excited. I'm super duper excited to show you guys. So make sure you guys come on back and we're going to do it together as a team. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to take it out with a bang. All right. Let's take it out. 1, 2, 3. Shake it up.